get up and put tilak on daddy's picture. Srikhandam Chandanam Divyam Gandhadyam Sumanoharam Vilepanam Surasresta Chandanam Pratigriyatam Akshatascha Surasresta Kankumukta Susobhita. This is Chandan. Right here. Srikhandam Chandanam Divyam Gandhadyam Sumanoharam Vilepanam Surasresta Chandanam Pratigriyatam Akshatascha Surasresta Kankumukta Susobhita Maya Nivedita Bhaktya Pranamyami. So now, पान है पान ये गंगा जल में डूबा कर
This is the Ganga Jal right here.
so
गंगा जल
Yeah.
हाँ एक तो पान
हाँ हाँ अब आपको करना है you want to do it okay so give her a pan also
Where's Vino? Vino!
yeah so give it to a couple of people and they can
Really?
sprinkle.
Vino?
Yeah let them also sprinkle
Can you
Yeah.
give me one more?
yeah let them sprinkle it around
It's okay. I got it.
here
so
hey Deepu
we have this Ganges water so we have Ganges water so we are sanctifying the place and so please dip into this with this pan and then sprinkle it just around yeah. Ganga Sindhu Saraswati Yamuna Godavari Narmada Kaveri Saryu Mahendra Tanaya Charvanvati Vedika Shipra Purna Jale Samudra Sahita Kurya Sada Mangalam. Now hold water in your hand. पानी है आपके आप सब पानी ले लो
Okay.
चम्मच
ये
से
भी गंगा जल
We
है
can just use
ये भी
regular
गंगा
water.
जल है
No, that's regular water. Can we just use regular water, Uncle?
yeah
Okay, AJ, give me that. No, you can just regular water for you, AJ. Just you give me this. Here.
So are we using like the regular water?
okay
yeah so yeah
You know, it's your regular water.
you're gonna
Keep in your hand.
just you're gonna just
okay all right so
Just
please
regular water.
repeat with me Om
Om
you can also repeat Om
Om
Sri
Sri
Vishnu
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 Mahapurusasya
Mahapurusha
Agnayaha
Agnayaha
Pravarta
Pravarta
Manasya
Manasya
Sri
Sri
Sweta
Sweta
Varaha
Varaha
Kalpe
Kalpe
Manvantare
Manvantare
Kaliyuge
Kaliyuge
Kali
Kali
प्रथम चरणे
प्रथम चरे
भूलोके
बोल के
अमेरिका खंडे
अमेरिका खंड
कैलिफोर्निया मध्ये
कैलिफोर्निया में
सरिटोस नगरे
सरिटोस नगरे
मम
मम
शुभग्रहे
शुभग्रहे
यजमानो
यजमानो
अहम
अहम
मम
मम
पिता श्री
पिताश्री
उनका नाम बोलो
राधेश्याम लाल दास
बरखी
की
पूजा
पूजा
शुभ दिने
शुभ दिन
शुभ तिथे
शुभ तिथि
शुभ नक्षत्रे
शुभ नक्षत्र
संध्या काले
संध्या काली
ब्राह्मण द्वारा
ब्रह्म
श्रद्धा पूर्वक
श्रद्धा पूर्वक
अहम
अहम
करिष्ये
करिष्ये
put the water in plate yeah, and in this plate now so when we begin any ceremony we offer our respects to mother and father so father पिताजी को त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव. In good old days, when the students would go to school, at that time they would be studying Vedas and they would be staying there for 25 years. 25 years was the time to study, 25 to 50 years was the time household lives, you get married, have children, take care of the family, and 50 to 75 was the time you give up your business, whatever you have, to your children. And then if they ask their advice, then you give them the advice, or otherwise stand off, hands off rather. So, and 75 to 100 years was the time when you think about the life, what is the purpose of life, how would be my next life, so prepare for that journey. So Hindu life was divided into 4 parts. So beginning was the students, 25 years. So after the students completed their studies, Guruji would say like this, that now you are graduate and it is time for the commencement lecture. Today I am going to teach you the last lesson, and the last lesson would go like this, that never forget your duty towards your ancestors. When the time comes, later do it. It's okay.
Hold on.
turn off her phone
Asoka, you want the address.
can you take care of that people please okay
So Guruji would say that then when the tithi comes, yeah, for your ancestors, so do something in their honor. What do? If the person is hungry in the society, feed him. Person doesn't have clothes, give them clothes. If they do not have medicine, give some. Do something by which their soul would be happy. So that is what Guruji says. And then Guruji says, Satyam Vada. Always tell the truth. If you tell the truth, you have health, wealth and happiness. And if you don't tell the truth, all things will disappear. Most of you have gone to school, different school, and there is something called ethics. Each and every business that you do, they have a subject of ethics. So that teaches you to be very truthful with your husband, your wife, your children, your parents, your friends. So that is very, very important. That is what Guruji says, Satyam Vada. And Dharmam Chara, whatever your duty is, as a son, as a father, brother-in-law, sister, do your duty to the best of your knowledge. Satyam Vada, Dharmam Chara. When any person gets married, at that time, the bride's hand parents take and give it to the groom. And what does the father say? That I am offering my daughter's hand in marriage to you for 4 purposes: dharma, artha, kama, and moksha. So what you are doing today is your duty, dharma. So Guruji says Satyam Vada, Dharmam Chara, and then Guruji says that as you enter your home, Matru Deva Bhava. Your mother is like a god. Mother always should be respected. Mother. Any home where the mother is respected, there will be happiness and peace. However, if the mother is not respected, a woman is not respected, then all things would disappear. Yeah. So mother and your primary teacher, they lay the foundation for your life. So mother is like 100 teachers, should be respected. Matru Deva Bhava, Pitru Deva Bhava, like your father. So also respect him and honor him, and always remember good qualities that he imbibed in you. So that is what you said. And so Matru Deva Bhava, Pitru Deva Bhava, Acharya Deva Bhava, who taught you schooling, and then one who created, never forget, who enlightens your mind and soul, never forget him. And all your friends who come through that door, they are your atithi, guest. Also give due respect and love to them, because we believe that God comes in the form of atithi, guest. So always respect them and never underestimate the goodwill and the love of your guest. So this is what Guruji says, Satyam Vada, Dharmam Chara, and that is what we are doing. Now we offer respect to Mother Earth. Yeah. Prithvi, Tvaya, Durta, Loka, Vishnuna, Dhruta. So these are the prayers to Mother Earth. We are born on Mother Earth. We have human birth. We got beautiful parents, brothers, sisters. So we offer